The colon is an essential organ that takes a beating in the body. It houses toxins and harmful chemicals. Not surprisingly, by the age of 50, colon cancer becomes a real and concerning threat to the body's health. Keeping the colon clear of toxins and clean of harmful substances is imperative to good health. Today's video will discuss the colon and how to keep it clean in order to maintain your overall health. It will also provide an all-natural recipe to rid the body of toxins with just one drink. The best way to ensure good colon health is to eat a diet that is high in dietary fiber. It is recommended that one consumes upwards of 20 to 35 grams of fiber. Most people do not get anywhere near that much in their daily diets. At times, food can become stuck in the intestines. This can leave someone feeling sluggish and tired because their body is literally being weighed down by toxins. Luckily, a drink has been discovered that can clear out the colon and leave the body feeling clean and refreshed. This drink contains apples, flax seeds, and chia seeds, among other ingredients. Apples contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, both of which keep bowel movements moving in a healthy way and help to cleanse the colon of any stuck food. Flax seeds help to fight cancerous cells from developing and help to kill any existing cancerous cells. This is because the flax seeds contain both antioxidants and important fiber. Likewise, chia seeds contain a healthy amount of essential fiber. They also contain phosphorus, which helps to grow and repair tissue and cells. So how is this miracle drink made? Here is the recipe. It is especially important to consume extra water throughout this cleanse, as extra fiber can cause constipation. You will need 1 organic apple, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup water. Directions: 1. Cut core from the apples and chop into small pieces, leaving skin. 2. Place all ingredients except the chia seeds into a blender and blend well. 3. Then add the chia seeds to the smoothie and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. 4. After 10 minutes or so, stir the mixture and enjoy. It is recommended that this drink be consumed twice per day, morning and night, for the duration of 2 weeks. In this time period, be sure to cut out any added sugar, alcohol, and red meat.